Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a tutorial on how I achieve Bantu knot. So I'll be starting off with my hair in its natural state. I'll be starting off with parting my hair and I'll be working with triangular parts because I feel like Bantu knot looks better in triangular parts. My parts weren't so clean, but if you have someone who could help you part your hair, that would be nice. For each part, I used a hairband to secure it at the roots. I'm just going to let you guys watch what I did in my parting, then I'll come back to let you guys know what I did next.
Pretends he can't hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, thinks twice. This is another day. Paradise. Oh, thinks twice. This is another day. You and me in
I also want to state that I didn't use any edge wax or any slicking gel on my roots because I don't like the feel of it on my roots. So now for the Bantu knot, I make sure I comb each section and then I start by twirling each section. Then I move on to wrapping it. Like you guys can see, I twirl then I wrap, or twirl and I turn. I twirl and I turn each section. And I also want to put this out there, do not make your Bantu knot tight because I couldn't sleep with this. It was just too tight. So yes, you twirl and you turn each section so it's very secure. The video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys watch what I did throughout the rest of my hair and I'll come back when I'm done. So this is the final result of this Bantu knot, and I made this Bantu knot without any added hair. And yeah, this final result, guys, this is how it looks like and I love it. So we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.